Hey, what is up, guys? Welcome back. Captain here with another interesting update about the Samsung Galaxy S20 5G lineup. The pricing is revealed. The Galaxy S20 Trio will be pricey, especially in its 5G integration. The first info on price comes courtesy of the Max Webanich, who is behind the recent rumor of the S20 leaks. The somewhat good news is that the 4G version will be cheaper. If you're getting a 4G model, subtract the €1,000 from the price. It's not clear whether you will have a choice through countries where 5G network are already live may only get the 5G models. Also, the price range represent uncreationally and not storage option. This is how much the phone will base storage are expected to cost. The price chart list image as you can see on your screen. The first Galaxy S20 5G variant is rumored price is around €900 to €1,000. The second variant, the Galaxy S20 Plus 5G, rumored price of this phone is the €1,050 to €1,100. The third one is the S20 Ultra 5G. The around price of this phone is €1,300, while the Galaxy Z Flip price around the €1,400. For comparison, the previous generation started at €750, €900 and €1,000 for the Galaxy S10e, S10 and the S10 Plus respectively. Unless you are going for the Ultra, this is the €150 price increasing for the 5G model and €50 for the 4G ones. The flagship Trio will reportedly launch in France on March 13, a month after the unpacked event on February. As for US price, they will be lower than the European ones. Max guess is the $850 for the Galaxy S20, $950 for the S20 Plus, and $1,200 for the S20 Ultra. This is for 5G models, but do keep in mind that the Euro price include VAT and the US ones do not. A bit of additional info about the Galaxy S20 Ultra: it will have a 30x hybrid zoom, which Samsung will claim to be lossless, and the 100x digital zoom. The phone will be available in black, gray, blue, and pink color. Samsung next foldable phone, the Galaxy Z Flip, will be the €1,400, just €100 more than the S20 Ultra 5G. The price of the Flip is subject to change before the unpacked event in late February. Still, the Galaxy Fold launched at €2,000 last year, so this is the comparatively cheap, at least as fair as foldable phone go. The Z Flip will use older hardware through S855 chipset and 12 megapixel camera as well. So guys, let me know your thought in the comment section. Which phone you going to buy in the S20 lineup? S20 5G, 20 Plus 5G, or 20 Ultra 5G, or the Galaxy Z Flip? Let me know your thought in the comment section. Hope you like this video. If you like it, thumbs up and subscribe for more tech videos. Enable the bell icon for latest video notification. I'll see you in my next video. Peace out.